Hello friends, today we will see how we can register for CRA account. For registering the CRA account, open the website canada.ca on the web browser and choose the language English. On this page, click on the link sign in to an account under most requested and now click on the link sign in to your CRA account. Okay. Here on this page you will see two options, sign in to your CRA account and register for CRA account. So as we are opening the new account, so click on register for a CRA account. On this page, it gives you the steps involved in registering for CRA account. I click on the step 3 where it says that you can register for the account using three methods. One is using the sign-in partner, that is bank, and second option is using CRA user ID and password, and third is using provincial partner. And we will go the first option, which is sign in using a partner, that is by bank. Okay, so when I click on that, there is a list of banks which can be used to register for the account. So I am going with the TD Bank as I have the bank account with TD. So I click on that. It takes me to the username and password of TD Bank account to log in. After successful login, you need to input the social insurance number, date of birth, and some tax questions which you can find on your recent tax summary or notice of assessment. These tax questions may be anyone, but definitely these will be available on tax summary or notice of assessment. Now it asks me for the verification of identity, and there are two methods for verification of identity. One is using Interact service by your bank, and second is using CRA security code. Here it must be clear that if you are using Interact service, it is linked with your associated bank and you would be able to access your account immediately after registering it. If you go with CRA security code by mail, the security code is sent to you by mail in 5 to 10 days, and after that you will be able to complete the registration with CRA. And here we will go with the verification with Interact service. And next step is the system asks you to verify the documents, which can be the Canadian driving license, Canadian passport, or provincial ID. Next, it asks me multi-factor authentication enrollment, which can be using Authenticator app or using phone or using passcode grab. We can go with the phone where we will get the security code when we try to log in into the account. And after selecting it, it asks me the telephone number where security code could be sent. We can add multiple phone numbers and select the language English and press next. Now it takes me to the multi-factor authentication where it would send me the code by text or call as we opt for. Enter the passcode, and now you can select the option where this multi passcode would not be required for 8 hours if you are going to log in into this account multiple times for a day. Okay, that is an optional, you can select it. Now click next and it comes to the document verification consent and privacy notice. Just do agree with that, and on the next page there would be a button continue to document verification. So document verification involves taking the picture of your identity proof, which may be driving license, Canadian passport, or provincial ID, and taking a selfie. When you click on this button, it leads to the selection of document type that you would scan and select this small checkbox and click continue. A link would be sent to your selected phone number and you can scan the selected ID and take a selfie. Once all done, you are good to go and registered for the CRA account. Okay.